Yeah, let me give you those guys.
Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, first and foremost, our thoughts and prayers are for those that were affected last night by the tornadoes in northern Illinois. I hope everybody is okay. They can be strong. In my life on the farm, I've been in 3 of them, and you just don't mess with them. Overnight, grain prices are sharply unchanged. Yesterday we had some pretty steep losses in the beans. We also saw some selling in the wheat and corn, kind of holding near its current levels after the USDA came out with their monthly supply and demand revision. After the dust settled, most analysts feel that the USDA's 14-15 U.S. soybean and wheat carryouts are okay. Many people want to raise the corn carryout due to continued concern about demand. As far as the outlook down the road, it's all now a weather market. We're going to see some more rain early next week across much of the Midwest and southern areas. We'll be watching to see if that impacts southern plantings of corn and sorghum, but it should help improve conditions in the Midwest for early corn planting and recharging soil moisture levels. As far as the trend is concerned, I think most people feel that soybean prices could leak lower as China kind of backs off on the demand side of things. We also are a little bit concerned about global demand for corn and wheat and whether that puts a little pressure on the market. Corn market still finding support on breaks in case the U.S. This year has a trend yield in corn, and that could bring the carryout down. A big range in analyst estimates for the 15-16 U.S. corn carryout, and the USDA will put out their first guess for U.S. and world 15-16 supply and demands on the next May report. So last year, that was the top of the market when they came out with some big supply. So we'll be watching that pretty closely, especially if they decide to lower U.S. and world corn carryouts next year. So we'll be watching weather. We'll be watching some of the money flow and the technicals, especially with the dollar rebounding like it has and the impact it might have on commodity prices. And we'll be also watching data out of China to see if their stimulus package helps their economy. It certainly is helping the Shanghai stock index. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.